Student, in previous period we have seen already section formula, midpoint formula and centroid formula. On the basis of that particular formula, we are also seen some examples from practice set 5.2, and today we are going to see the remaining examples from same practice set, that is 5.2. Fifth example from this practice set 5.2, find the ratio in which point PXY divides the segment joining A 8, 9 and B 1, 2. Also find K. That means here we have to find the ratio. Means here we have to find M to N and also we have to find K. But formula is same. By using section formula we can solve this. If any problem if we draw the figure each and every time, if we draw the figure, then the meaning of the example is already clear here. Now this is segment AB. Point P is divide the segment AB in M to N parts. Then chords of point P is K7 already given. Chords of point A is 8, 9 and B 1, 2 is already given. Let this one X1, Y1, XY and X2, Y2. Again by section formula. You know section formula. What is section formula? Yes, good, very good. X is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and y is equal to my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Same formula. Here x is k. X is k. Except x you can write k. K is equal to n into 1 plus n into 8. Value of x2 and x1 are already given, 1 and 8 divided by m plus n as it is. Then cross multiplication, k in bracket m plus n is equal to m plus 8n. Suppose this is equation number 1. Now for y coordinate, y is equal to my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Again y is 7. M into y2, y2 is 2, m into 2 plus n into y1, y1 is 9 divided by m plus n. Then cross multiplication, 7m plus 7n is equal to 2m plus 9n. Take 2m on this side, it becomes negative, and 7n on that side, it becomes also negative. 7m minus 2m, that is 5n, and 9 minus 7 is 2n. Take n on this side, m upon n is equal to 2 upon 5 is required ratio. Now we have to find value of k. We have to find here m to n and value of k. Now m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 5. Put in equation number 1. This is our equation number 1. If we put here m is equal to 2, n is equal to 5, then k in bracket m plus n is equal to m plus 8n is equation number 1. Then by substituting the values, m plus n, that is 2 plus 5, then m is 2 plus 8 into n is 5, then 7k, 2 plus 5, 7k is equal to 2 plus 8 5 are 40, 7k is equal to 42, k is equal to 42 upon 7 and k is equal to 6, and m to n is equal to 2.5 is a required answer from the given example. Okay. Formula is same, distance formula. If you substitute the value and give simplification, you will get your answer. Okay? Very good. Now next one, that is sixth example. Read and write carefully. Example number 6. Find the coordinates of midpoint of segment. Midpoint of segment joining the points 22, 20. and 0, 16. Your name of point is not given. Let A 22, 20 and B 0, 16. That it will be, this is x1, this is y1, this is x2 and this is y2. Here find the points of midpoint, and you know midpoint formula. It is very easy. By using midpoint formula, we get x is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. x1 22 plus x2 0 divided by 2, 22 upon 2 is equal to 11. Now here y1 20 plus y2 is 16 divided by 2, sum is 36 upon 2 is equal to 18. Means required coordinate of midpoint. Answer is required coordinates of midpoint is equal to 11, 18. Enough. Very easy formula, very easy example, very easy calculation. Read and write carefully. Again, we are going to see next example. It is also read and write carefully. Find the centroids. This is 7. Find the centroids of the triangle. Of the triangle whose vertices are given. Whose vertices are given. -7, 6, 2, -2, 8, 5. Solution. Here also the name of point is not given. Let gxy is centroid. And A -7, 6, B 2, -2 and C 8, 5. These coordinates are given and we know this one is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3 and this one is y3. By using centroid formula, and you know centroid formula very easy. X is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. X is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3. Y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. Then by putting the values x1, x2, x3, -7 plus 2 plus 8 divided by 3, 8 plus 2, 10. 10 minus 7, 3. 3 upon 3. That means x is equal to 1. And here y1 6 plus minus 2 plus 5 divided by 3. After opening the bracket, it will be as it is. 6 minus 2 plus 5 divided by 3 is equal to 6 plus 5, 11. Minus 2 is 9 divided by 3, and therefore 3 3s are 9, and therefore y is equal to 3 is required y coordinate, and therefore required centroid is the required centroid is 1 3. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3. Let gxy, the answer of gxy is 1 3. We can write in this manner also. Is equal to 1 3. This is our final answer. Okay. So many easy examples are based on this simple formula, and that's why you can solve yourself also. Read and write carefully. And again we are going to see the next example, that is example number 9. Any problem? No, not, never, nothing. Very good. A h minus 6, B 2 3, and C minus 6k are coordinates of vertices. Coordinate of vertices of a triangle whose centroid is 1 5. Whose centroid is Z1 5. Find H and K. See here, in previous period, find the chords of centroid, and here chords of centroid is already given, but formula is same. Formula is same. Let A h minus 6, B 2 3, C minus 6 K, G 1 5. We know this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, y2, x3, y3, and centroid is x, and y is already given by using centroid formula. By using centroid formula, x is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, and y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. Now all these values are given in our example. x1 is h, x2 2, and this is minus 6, plus 2 plus minus 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2 minus 6 is minus 4. That is h minus 4 divided by 3, and x is 1. X is 1. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. Take minus 4 on 2 minus 4, that is 2 minus 6, that is minus 4 plus h divided by 3. 3 3s are 9 is equal to h minus 4. Take minus 4 on this side, that is plus 4, and 9 plus 4 is 13, and therefore h is equal to 13. Value of h, sorry, here is 1, not 3. 1 as it is, 3 ones are 3, and 3 plus 4, that is 7, not 13. Make their correction. Then put value of y1, y2 and y3. y1 minus 6, y2 3, and y3 k divided by 3, and y is 5. 5 3s are 15, and here minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3 plus k. Take minus 3 on this side, it becomes plus 3, and 15 plus 3 is equal to k, and therefore k is equal to 15 plus 3 is 18, and therefore our required answer is h is equal to 7 and k is equal to 18 is final answer. If there is an example centroid, then use centroid formula. If there is midpoint word, use midpoint formula. If there is section formula. You can solve yourself. And then next example, try to understand and then write. Very easy examples are here. Very easy formulas are also. Distance formula, section formula, midpoint formula and centroid formula. बस इतना ही है ए लेसन में, बस बाकी कुछ नहीं. Example number 10. Find the coordinates. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection. Of the points of trisection. Trisection means three equal parts on the line segment of the line segment AB with A 27 and B minus 4 minus 8. Find the chords of trisection means three equal parts. Draw figure. If you draw figure, then meaning will be clear of given example. This is segment AB. A is 27 and B is minus 4 minus 8. Trisection means three equal parts. These are the approximately three equal parts. Let the points will be C and D. Let the coordinates of point C is XY. Take over for convenience, and this is PQ. And here we have to find the coordinates of point C and coordinates of point D. These parts are equal. Trisection means AC is equal to CD is equal to DB. Now you know property of parallel line. On the basis of this property, we can write here AC upon BC is equal to AC upon CD plus BD is equal to AC upon these three segments are equal, means except CD and BD we can write AC plus AC is equal to AC upon 2AC is equal to 1/2. AC gets cancelled. That means this one and this one. AC is 1, then CD is equal to 2. That means point C, divide the segment AB in 1 to 2 ratio. And if we know the value of M and N and chords of this point, then we can easily find chords of point D. That is here M to N is equal to 1 to 2. And now bisection formula. Again remember which is section formula? X is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Now here m is 1 into x2. This is x1, this is x2, sorry, this is y1, this is x2, and this is y2. 1 into x2, x2 is minus 4, write in bracket, plus n is 2, into x1 is 2, divided by m plus n, that is 1 plus 2. X is equal to 1 into minus 4 is minus 4, then 2 2s are 4, divided by 1 plus 2, 3. X is equal to 0 upon 3, and 0 upon any number is 0. Therefore, x is equal to 0. Okay. Now put here m is 1, y2 is minus 8, plus n is 2, y1 is 7, divided by 1 plus 2. Again here y is equal to 1 into minus 8, that is minus 8, 2 7s are 14, divided by 3, 2 plus 1, 3. That means 14 minus 8, that is 6, divided by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, means y is equal to 2, means CXY. Therefore, corners of first trisection point CXY is equal to 0, 3. This is our first answer. Then we have to find D, PQ. Corners of point D is PQ. At that time, point D is divide segment AB into AD to DB. Point D is divide segment AB is AD to DB. Now here AC plus AD, that is 2, and CD is 1, means point D divide segment AB in 2 to 1. Here 1 to 2. Now 2 to 1. Remaining coordinates are same. Only values of M and N is changed, and then you can find yourself chords of point D, PQ. Now the remaining D, PQ, find yourself. And also remaining examples from practice set 5.2, solve yourself and try to do study very well. This is the end of this chapter. Next topic is slope of line is omitted from syllabus, and that's why in next period we will start trigonometry. Okay.